2018 Toyota Prius is a half-and-half hatchback that spaces over the littler Prius C. A touring model with an alternate suspension alignment is likewise accessible in the 3 and 4 evaluations, and is recognized by the standard 17-inch combination haggles higher-proficiency eco display is additionally offered in view of the 2 trim. A module variation called the Prius Prime is additionally accessible. Prius One, the base One review accompanies a rear-view camera, full LED headlights, 15-inch amalgam wheels, keyless passage and begin, and adjustable 4.2-inch instrument bunch show, material upholstery, and a 6.1-inch touchscreen. Prius 2, moving up to the Tour 2 Eco gets you a back window wiper and an extra tire. Prius 3 variations get more highlights, including Route, a 7.0-inch touchscreen, the Entune application suite, cushioned upper entryway trims, and a remote charging cushion. 3 touring models likewise get 17-inch combination haggles upholstery as standard. Prius 4, the range-topping 4 review gets a substantial 11.6-inch touchscreen, warm front seats, and leatherette upper entryway trims and armrests. 4 touring models get a similar 17-inch composite wheels as the 3 touring. Accessible alternatives incorporate a head-up show, programmed stopping help, and a JBL sound framework. Controlling the 2018 Prius is a 1.8-liter i4 matched to an electric engine, a CVT, and either a nickel-metal hydride battery in the base model or lithium particle battery on higher evaluations. Add up to framework yield is 121 horsepower. EPA mileage evaluations are 54/50ths mpg city through A4 everything except Prius 2 Eco, which is significantly more proficient at 58/53ths mpg. The 2018 Toyota Prius got a 5-star general rating from the NHTSA, out of a conceivable 5 stars. In IIHS testing it got a good score on all crashworthiness tests with the exception of the traveler side little front cover effect, where it hasn't been tried. Good is the most astounding conceivable score. On the new headlights test, the 2018 Prius got an acceptable rating. Subsequently, it fit the bill for the IIHS top safety pick rating.